Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Huge Savings with Nene. And thank you. First of all, thank you for tuning in again and also for the people who watch and subscribe my first video yesterday. I really appreciate that. Okay, I have a two transaction that I did from Walgreens as my first video haul that I was mentioned yesterday. So I want to share with you what I got from Walgreens today, this week's deal. So first I did the Colgate. That's a first transaction and the rest are for my second transaction, and it's for the I spend at least $45, and I pair that with my digital coupon of spend 45, you get $10 Walgreens cash. And I had a paper booster that I received when I bought Colgate, and Catalina printed out a $7 paper booster when you spend $35 at least. So okay, the Colgate this week is when you buy two, you get $5 register rewards. So this is the one and which I got it, and they won't expired until like 2 weeks, August 14. Oh, sorry, my August 14 right there. So okay, so my Colgate, the toothpaste, here's my receipt. So the toothpaste is $6 and the toothbrush is $5 each, and I have a digital coupon of $3 for the toothpaste and a $2 digital for the toothbrush. When you say MFGECPN, that's a manufacturing coupon, and that's a digital coupon. So the other ones is paper coupon, or it's a paper money, like a register rewards, which is there the $6. It's like these are the register rewards, we call it, and it says their manufacturing coupon. So I have one like this worth $6, and which I used to pay for my Colgate. So the Colgate total for both is $11, less my digital coupon worth of $5 for two. So that's total $6 left, and I used a $6 register rewards to pay, and I paid subtotal zero. So my tax, because we have different taxes. Sometimes some state doesn't have tax, so I don't include my tax. So $11 less $5 digital coupon. So I have a total of $6 to pay. As I said, I paid register rewards of $6, and I receive a $5 register reward for buying two Colgates. So that left me to pay $1 for both, or 50 cents each. And these are kind of pricey compared to the normal ones we buy of Colgate toothpaste and toothbrushes. So that's good. I'm happy that those are included on this big deal. Okay, so next one, let's go to my big transaction. Oh, by the way, I did a photo pickup because I was hoping I'm gonna get a Walgreens cash. Oh, I mean a paper booster, which I did, but just because I didn't expect that I'm gonna get one for buying the Colgate, so I did a transaction and gave me a $7 paper booster when you spend 35. And I cannot show you that because I used that on the rest of my product. So my last transaction. So there you go. I got the Good Nights 3 Always Z feminine products, the Clean and Clear. I got two of them, the Robitussin, the Aveeno. So those the things, the Clean and Clear, Robitussin, and Aveeno are all on clearance, as so as the Good Nights XL 28 count. So here's the only regular price there is the Always. It's buy one get one half off. But this week you have, or I think all month deal, when you buy three, you'll get $10 register rewards, which I'll show you. I got it for buying three participating products, and there you go. And they'll expired on the 7th. So I just got this today. So it's only like a week to use it. Some of it will like 3 or 5 days. So you guys want to watch on how your paper register your registered rewards watch for the expiration, because it's like useless if we misusing that, which I do sometimes. I forget. Okay, so here is my receipt. So the Clean and Clear, okay, I try to, the Clean and Clear, they're buy one get one half off. So my first one right there is $3.49, and the half of $1.74. Always regular is 11.99. Half of that is 5.99 because I bought three, so one of it is half off. So the Aveeno is a $6.29 clearance, regular 24.99. Good Nights used to be 33.99 regular price. I got it for 8.49, and we have a store IVC coupon, excuse, $5 on each one, and they only have one. I bought this couple days ago. I found in the store they have two. That's why I know that they are on clearance. But this time it's not tagged anymore, so I have to ask the cashier to price check it for me, and which it is. So Robitussin is on clearance at $2.19. And there's my other Clean and Clear on clearance. And there's another Always. The other two Always is at regular price because it's buy one get one half off, and I only got three. So only one will be half off. So there you go. So my total on all those products is 40. Hold on. Let's focus. Including my register rewards and digital coupon, and my subtotal is $47.17. And I have a digital coupons of $5 from the Aveeno. I have a digital coupon of $3 off two when you buy the Always Z products, and a $2 off one from the Clean and Clear. The Clean and Clear, I don't really need to buy it because as you can see, it's $47. Because one of my other Clean and Clear is just $1.74. The reason why is because, just if I cut my explanation, my receipt, because there's if I don't know if I say this correct, pronounce it correct, excuse me, Helion product, spend specific amount of 20, 30, or 75, you will get some, maybe, I don't know if it's 5, 10, or $25 rebates via Visa. So that's why I got that. And I heard that they base it on original price or regular price, not the sale price, even they're on clearance. So I try to reach at least $50 on that. That's why. And those are the circle ones. Those are excuse me, it's the Helion products. And I submitted it already. That's why they are already circled. So okay, sorry for that, for the interruption. So it's a $47.17. So I have a paper booster of $35, and you'll get $7. And I have a digital coupons, the higher one, $45, you get $10. $10 Walgreens cash. So you can see from there the total of these five with the subtotal is 47. So those are past my threshold amount. Both my paper booster just for spending 35 and my digital booster in our app is a $45. So I expecting to receive a $7 from my paper booster when I spend 35, and a $10 Walgreens cash for spending at least $45, because my subtotal for all of them is my total with subtotal and the register rewards and digital coupon is 47. So I passed that thing. So, but after I paid those digital coupons and I have a register rewards, the register rewards I used is one of these, the from the Colgate. So I didn't buy any Colgate on this transaction. That's why I can use one. But if you use if you buy a Colgate, if you put in this transaction, you will not receive one. So it won't roll over. You will lose the $5. So don't do that. So now I can use that because I didn't buy a Colgate on this transaction. So what I got back, I'll show you. I'll just have to, I don't know if you can see. Oops, I got, I want, excuse me. I tried to cover right here. $7.47 earned. So for $17.47 plus my $10 for buying 3 always, so that's $27. I just rounded, and then I paid a 32 subtotal plus the $5 of the register rewards I used from Colgate, so that's 37 less the 27 that I received between register rewards and Walgreens cash. So that's like a $10 there cost from me. But we don't stop there because when I bought the Good Nights and Always, we have a bought a rebates on those participating products at $2.50 on each one of the Always. So I'm limit of 3, so I receive a $7.50 on from those 3, and a Good Nights we have as $5 back from a Good Nights. So there you go. I will show you right there. I got it already. And $12.50 on that one. So as I said, we have a $10 cost just in between my thing from earlier, from paying paying $37, not including the digital coupon. So it's $37.17. I received $17.47 plus the $10 register rewards that I received from Always. So that's 27. Oh, I mean, that's that's a 27. We'll just round it up. So that's a $10 cost still for me, but as I show you, I got a rebates of $12.50. So that will just say that I got a money maker of $2 and change for that. For buying all those, but not Colgate. Colgate, it costed me $1, but I'm just saying, just for this transaction, it it's a free and a money maker of a $2 and some cents. So if you include the Colgate, so it costed me $1, so it's still a money maker of $1 and some cents. So that's a pretty good haul for me. So that's why I like to share it with you guys. My Walgreens haul, my first video haul for my YouTube channel. And I hope that you find this YouTube helpful, and hopefully will encourage to go to store and let's do coupon, people. It's getting expensive, all everything we buy. Sorry. Yeah, I really want you guys to learn how to do it. Me, I still consider myself always as a newbie because sometimes I still mess on my transaction. I just watch those YouTubers that do vlogging about coupons, and they do like Walgreens or a CVS. So CVS, as I said, I'm only new there like a couple months, and I'm having a great time couponing there. So I'm starting with little transactions, and if I kind of get used to it, I will combine them like these ones I did. But I'm starting little by little, like a slow. So, and that's all about it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and please consider to subscribe if you have not yet, and please like my video if you find this video fun and helpful. Thank you so much again for watching. This is Huge Savings with Nene. I called it Nene because back home my nickname that my mom and dad gave me is Nene. Yes, just a share of my personal thing. That's why I named it. Okay, thanks so much again and have a good day. Let's do coupon, people. Go to the store. Only if you guys have time and if you think it's worth of your time to do coupon. For me, it is. It helps me a lot. It helps my loved ones. I love to share. I love to give. That's why I love couponing. I don't think I will stop doing it, even just for little things. Thanks everyone. Have a good day and have a good week, the rest of your week. Thank you so much. Bye.